a square in the center, and I just sew it on and then fold it and cut it.
Yeah.
Fold it and cut it.
That's going to be pretty. I make baby quilts and I make quilts.
I don't make baby quilts.
You don't?
Uh-uh.
I make a bunch of baby quilts.
I've given away 100, I guess.
Oh, I'll give away more than that, honey. I can do a quilt a week. Well,
I can too.
And I still do ironing.
I did one in 2 days.
I can too.
Yeah.
Day before yesterday, I set one together on my bed. I don't have quilting frames no more.
No.
And I put the lining down. I put the cotton down. Put my top down.
Yours? Do you
tack it. No, I tack it now.
You do.
It's like
I have Judy to quilt mine.
You do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, see, we don't have frames down there. Our walls wouldn't hold up.
It only costs, let's see, $25 for a hack bed, $35 for a regular bed, and $45 for a queen size, and $55 for a king size.
My word.
And she furnishes everything but the top. Yeah.
Lord.
The binding, the filling, the lining, and
Isn't
everything.
that nice?
Huh?
Isn't that nice?
Yes, it is.
So you have to do everything, Nanny?
I do everything to mine.
With
I
your
made
fingers?
my granddaughter Jade one in one day, and I made her little boy one,